Yes, my name is Kavin, Pranav, studying grade 7 in SNS Academy. So this video is about AI in transportation. What is AI? AI is nothing but artificial intelligence. So the app which I am using is voice GPS driving direction. It is a navigation app. So now let's see about the problem statement. Problem statement. So people who comes from different places are unable to find their routes which is new to them. Even me, when I'm going to a new places like Chennai or Mumbai, I'm not familiar with their routes. So I used to ask the routes to auto rickshaws or to the public people. So these are the problems which is faced by the public peoples. So now let's see about the transportation. So, transport. What is transport? The action of carrying or taking people or goods from one place to another is known as the transport. So, transport also links the centers of production and consumption. The development of different means of transport is influenced by relief features and economical activities. The progress in science and technology has developed fast means of transport. There are also four important means of transport. They are road transport, rail transport, water transport, and air transport. So, now let's see about the road transport. Roadways. So, roads are an important means of transport over short distance. There are two types of roads, metalled and unmetalled. Modern highways are well surfaced metal roads used for high speed traffic. They are wide enough to allow free movement of traffic in both the directions. Eastern USA and Western Europe have the densest and the quality roads in the world. The density of road network in India is the one of the lowest in the world. The national highway system has been developed to link the state capitals and port towns, industrial towns, and other important cities. The Manali Highway in the Himalayas is one of the highest roadway in the world. The latest development in our country is the construction of expressways. So now let's see about railways. So railways. Railways are a quick means of transport over long distance at a comparatively lower cost. Railways carry raw materials to industrial regions and distribute the finished goods inside the country or carry them to the ports for export. The railway network in Africa, Asia, Australia, and South America was developed by the Europeans to utilize the natural resources of the region. The railway network in India is the largest in Asia and fourth largest in the world. So now let's see about waterways. Waterways. Waterways are the cheapest and the most widely used means of transport to carry bulky goods over long distance. In past, merchants used waterways to trade and also they used to carry goods. Waterways comprise inland waterways and sea routes. Inland waterways. Navigable rivers, lakes, and canals are used as inland waterways. Their development depends upon the depth and the width of the waterway and the continuity of the flow. Sea routes. Sea and ocean are used to the transport goods from one continent to another. There are 13 important seaports in the world. So now let's see about airways. Airways. The development of airway started in early 20th century. Speed is the only factor for air transport is preferred over land and sea transport. However, air transport is expensive. The main obstacle in air transportation is bad weather conditions such as fog and rainfall. Airways can reach the inaccessible areas where there are no roads and railways. Helicopters are widely used in help of people at times of natural disasters. There are two types of services, domestic and international. Most operations are managed by the private companies. The main international airports in India are in Delhi and Mumbai. There are 18 main international airports in the world. So now let's see about the ideate part. I did. So when I thought about transportation, Google Maps and GPS tracking strikes in my mind. But the Google Maps will not take us to the correct destination sometimes. Even GPS tracking, we will not get the signal sometimes. So that I researched in Google and at last I got an app called Voice GPS Driving Directions. It is a GPS navigation app. So now let's see about the prototype. So the app called Voice GPS Driving Directions Navigation app. So it gives us the information in just in few seconds or in a minute, and it will be so useful for everyone. So these are the screenshot of the app. So the first screenshot is the home page of the app, and the second screenshot is the voice navigation. We just want to tell the destination, so it gives us the information in just a second. And the third image is the find routes. So just we want to type the destination and we just want to click the find route, so that it gives us the destination, and it will, the voice will be not included. And the third image is the route planner. So when we type a destination to this, and if we click the add new route, so it gives us the shortcuts of the destination. So the next screenshot is the nearby places. So if you want to go to a nearby hospital, nearby pharmacy or nearby parks, we just want to search the places and it will give us the information in just in few seconds. And the next image is about the GPS speedometer, and we can in this in this option we can find we can track the kilometer, and we can also track the hours. And next screenshot is about the current location. We can find the current location. We can also find the latitude, longitude. We can also find the country, state, and capitals. And and there are some more options, like we can also find the IST code. We can also find the STT code, and we can also we can also track the phone numbers. We can also measure the destination. So these are the prototypes of this topic, and thank you.